Hello my people, HumidityLiquidity here. Welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be going over what Ethereum is doing right now. And I'm going to be taking a live trade right now. Let me just quickly take the trade and then... Alright, so let me just move this. Okay, so what I saw was BTC and BTC and Ethereum had a SMT. So here, just put the high. So here we see on Bitcoin, price has a lower high and it's formed a higher high. So if we draw a line, we see so SMT is from lower high to high high. And then when we look at Ethereum, we see higher high to lower high. So that is a confirmation, or it's an indicator, it's confluence for us to be going down. So right now, price came into this order block right here. These two consecutive candles, and price came for this imbalance right here. It's FEG, mark that out. We're on a 5 minute. So price came for the 5 minute FEG right here, and now price should continue down. So let me just make this cleaner. So we got SMT on the highs with BTC. Right now we can most likely expect price to come up into the FEG being created now. Depends what happens in the 5 minute, in the next 5 minutes. And then yeah, so my target for Ethereum is, let's see, around, okay, so I'm just going to target this sell side liquidity, and then I'm expecting price to come into this fair value gap right here, FEG, expecting price to come into there, and then yeah, so expecting price to break here, retrace, come into here, and then we can expect price to come up to 3,000. This FEG right here, that's where my next target would be, as long as it respects this fair value gap. Price could just come down. Price could just come down here, consolidate, come up here a little bit, and then just continue dropping down to 28k on BTC. And on Ethereum, let's see where it would go. So it will come below this. Let's look for the weekly lows right here. This is our target for Ethereum. The target is 1,700. We can possibly see price come into this area, come to last year's high. We can have there. So what's this 2018 high? So we can see price possibly come into 2018 high and even come down into this FEG right here. Then we could just see price rally on from there. Okay, so let's have a look. What's price doing now? So next minute we'll see. So on the 3 minute, this FEG is formed. Let me just, okay. So this FVG just formed. Now in the next candle or the next few candles, we should see price come up there and continue down. Okay. See what price is doing. Okay, so we want price to come up into this FVG, waiting for the next 30 seconds, and then we can see price come up somewhere here. See the 2 minute. Okay, so on the 2 minute it came into this FVG. So you could enter right now, or you could re-enter right now. I already got an entry around here. Price came into this 50-minute order block, SMT, and I saw price on the 1 minute. Yeah, price broke here. So it's a minor break. However, because of the SMT, I was confident, more confident that it's gonna be dropping. So price came here, broke this, and then I was looking for price to come somewhere into here or into these areas. Then once it did, we started recording and then entered. So yeah, that's why I entered right here, guys. Somewhere here. Let's see. Yeah, entered right on this candle. And yeah, this candle displaced. So yeah, I can stay in the trade. Okay, so let's see. Price might not come back into this FVG. Came into the 1 minute FVG, 2 minute FVG. So price is looking good so far. Take profit. My first take profit is these lows. Sell side liquidity. And yeah, my target is down here. This sell side liquidity and this sell side liquidity FVG. I want price to come into here and then go up to 3,000. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go through this whole thing again. So on the 15 minute, we saw Bitcoin had the SMT. So Ethereum had a high, Bitcoin had a lower high. Let me say that again. Ethereum had a high, and then formed a lower high, and then Bitcoin had a high. Bitcoin had a lower high, and then formed a high. So then this formed the SMT between these two, right here. Let me say that one more time. So Ethereum had a high, then formed a lower high. Bitcoin had a lower high, then formed a high, therefore giving us a SMT. And I entered off this minor, the lower time frame break, and then came in here, did not break above here, and then I entered live in front of you guys. And then I also showed you guys a re-entry on the 2 minute. Here, price broke structure. The first entry I took is a bit of a risky one, but this one should be a fine entry. Price came into this FVG area, 2 minute, boom. Now we should see price going down soon. And yeah, I can expect the next 15-minute candle to come up into this 5-minute FVG or this order block, and then I can expect price to continue lower. So yeah, or the next 15-minute candle will just continue displacing lower. It's absolutely fine. It's all good. So yeah, let me quickly okay. Alright. I'm just gonna remove this top line over here, make it less messy. But yeah, here's the order block. Price came in it, came into the FVG, SMT, and now it's displacing. Look at this, is what we like to see. 30 seconds left. Want this candle to close whilst displacing like this. Don't want to see this displacement hold. If the displacement holds, then we Gucci. So let's see. Alright, look at that, looking good. Look, so price came into that 2-minute FVG and worked out. If I wanted to re-enter, or if you wanted to re-enter, you could have entered off there, and price displaced again, forming that FVG. So we can expect the next candles to do something like that, come into this FVG, which it was forming right now. So yeah, let's see. I mean, right now I don't really need a re-entry. Got an entry here, and yeah, if you want to aim for low-hanging fruit, quick trade, just price enter here. You could have entered here, came here, took your profits, done for the day. Let's see how much that would be. This would be 2R, which is pretty good. Pretty good for, let's see how long that would possibly take, for less than an hour or an hour. You never know. But yeah, for 2R, pretty decent. This trade should be going, so I entered here, stop loss right above here, 11 risk to reward. So this trade might take a while, but yeah. So we should expect price to come into this FVG area that's forming, and yeah, let's see FVG. So in the next 10 seconds, next candle open. Here, the 1-minute FVG gives us the entry as well. Personally, I'll go for that. Here we go, 1-minute FVG. See, on the 2-minute, doesn't really give any wicks, but yeah, doing this live in front of you, live trade right here. Look at the time, and yeah, so just simple stuff, not overcomplicating it, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, so right now we're going down. So yeah, this is what I like to see. So once I take my first partials, I'm gonna most likely end the video. Yeah, I'll probably end the video here because this might take a while, and then I'll probably be back. I might add after prices come down, or yeah, so just see what happens after prices come down. So yeah, once this sell-side liquidity pool has been taken, I'll skip to the end where the larger liquidity pool gets taken. Or if I see a reaction to the bullish side, then I'll take that and also record that if I see it. But yeah, I'll be walking away from my PC right now, so let me just take my partials, and now I can chill. Look at that. Pay yourself as a trader. Boom. I would move to break even, but there's a chance we can come up into the 5-minute FEGs. So I'll just move to break even once it's come to this sell side liquidity. Or I'll just take full profits here. But yeah, look at that. Price displaced. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. So yeah, if you guys want more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah. Alright, so price to the first sell side liquidity pool. And I'll be ending this video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope this was useful. And see you guys in the next video. Alright, bless. Hello my people. I know I did just say I was in a video, but here's a quick update on the trade. It came up to this sell side liquidity I showed you just now, and it's come down to this sell side liquidity pool. It's wicked it. I took 50% partials altogether, and now trades at break even. Right now we could be seeing a buy since it took liquidity here, temporary buy, or we can just see price continue to sell off soon. But yeah, came into this order block, as you see. It's rejected. It's most likely coming into this imbalance, this FVG above, right above here. It looks a bit messy, but right, this wick should be going to that FVG, and we can see price come down, as I said. If it doesn't come down, you still caught a trade. You still paid yourself, chilling. But yeah, here's a live example of the model sticking out like a sore thumb. So yeah, look at that. Just go in a 1 minute real quick and show you how it played out. Here's your first entry, second entry, third entry. Look at that. And then here, this one, fine like that. But yeah, look at that. The recording just stopped for a second, so where was I? Yeah, so I was showing you guys how the entries were. So right now, price has actually come up here, and it's come to the FVG up here. So now let me just make this look more cleaner. Let me just remove. Alright, so just remove this. So the other trades, these ones, would have been all bless for this target. Price would have come. Price has come back up here into this 5-minute FVG, and now we can expect price to fall. If we go up, then we should continue going up, and we should see price come up to 40. No, we should be seeing price come up to 3,000. This FVG right here would be my target. And yeah, let's have a look on a 1 hour. So yeah, so the 3,000 would be the target if we were to break up. So if we were to go up, I'll be looking for 3,000. So yeah, so right now I do think that this is the high of after 8:30. Yeah, so this is the 2-day high, and then or maybe it might come up one more time and then drop. But yeah, I want price to hold this FVG and drop. If it doesn't, then we should look for higher pricing. But yeah, targets over here. I did get stopped out at break even, but yeah, I did take partials. So yeah, always remember to pay yourself. And yeah, targets over here, FVG, or 3000 if we fail to go low. It does seem like we're just going to go up, so I'm just going to react and see how everything's going to be. So yeah, that's why you should always keep your target small for your trades. Always pay yourself. This trade was, where was my entry? Around here, and then take profit there, stop loss there. Look at that, 8 risk to reward just from this, and I've done it live in front of you. So yeah, right now I'm looking for price to go down, but if it doesn't, we could literally just be coming for this FVG and price might just wick it and go up. To be honest, if I just what do you call it, in this situation, I've taken my money out of the market, got paid, and now I'm chilling. Price reversed, price can do whatever it wants, got the money, and I'm out chilling. So yeah, simple as that. Keep it simple, no stress. Alright guys, without further ado, I'm going to be ending the video here, and be sure to like and subscribe. Alright, bless.